guys, a friend of mine calls me and asks me how to start remotely a grandMA3 hardware. That means if I have my console front of house and I have a second console on stage or things like that, how to solve these kind of situations. I will show you how to do it with the help of the WakeOnLan functions of these consoles. For that we need a software called WakeOnLan. I need in this software a new host. This host is the grandMA3 compact front of house. I can also set a group light. So for webcam we need the MAC address. Where is the MAC address of my console? For that we have to boot up the console. We are running software version 1.1. So to show you the MAC address, I will connect remotely to the web page of my console. 192.168.1.45 It's the web browser of my console. The user is the admin user, so I'm allowed to do everything. I go to the menu, then to network, and here I will find my interfaces. That means these are the interfaces of my console, because this is more or less like a screen of my console. So I need the IP address, I know that already, but it's new for me is the MAC address of my network. For that I used to make a note in a piece of paper or somewhere else, because we need it later in the other software. Okay, time to close the web browser. Back in my WakeOnLan software, I can type in the MAC address of the network card for my console. For that, one thing that you really need to know is these commands take care if you're using capital letters or not. That means if it doesn't work, and I did this mistake, it's perhaps you don't use capital letters. So here is the IP address of my console, 168.1.45, and for status control 192.168.1.45. Okay, I switch off the console again. I select now my grandMA3 compact and say wake up. Look at that, console starts. Job done. So guys, I hope this helps you a bit, and we will see what next in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.